Welcome back to our channel, Law Point. This is Shamal. Our previous session was on Maternity Benefits Act. Today, we are dealing with frequently asked questions on this topic. We have a Supreme Court advocate on record, Ms. Priscilla Elizabeth Joseph, to answer our queries. Let's move on to our first question. Are women employees of private unorganized sector entitled to the provisions of Maternity Benefits Act?
Maternity Benefits Act extends to whole of India and is applicable to every factory, mine or plantation, including those belonging to government as well as private. This act applies to women employees either on regular employment or on casual or contractual basis in both private as well as public sectors. This act is passed by the Indian Parliament and it applies to every class of establishment employing 10 or more employees in the last preceding 12 months. And this act gives power to state governments to extend the application of this act to any other class of establishment, be it industrial, commercial or agricultural.
Let's move on to our second question. Is there any salary criteria to be eligible for the Maternity Benefits Act?
There is no salary criteria prescribed under the Maternity Benefits Act to claim the benefits under this act. It is important to mention herein that there is another act called Employee State Insurance Act which also provides for similar maternity benefits just like Maternity Benefits Act. However, maternity benefits under Employee State Insurance Act is applicable only to women employees whose monthly salary is not exceeding rupees 21,000. Now, in case a woman employee is claiming maternity benefits under Employee State Insurance Act, then again she cannot claim maternity benefits under Maternity Benefits Act.
Let's move on to our next question. If a woman employee suffers miscarriage, then is she entitled to benefits under this act?
Yes, in case of miscarriage or medical termination of pregnancy, women employees can avail the benefits of Maternity Benefits Act. Here, the maternity leave will be for a period of 6 weeks following the day of a miscarriage or medical termination of pregnancy instead of the normal 26 weeks. Further, in case a woman employee is undergoing tubectomy operation, then also she can avail the benefits of maternity leave for a period of 2 weeks following the day of a tubectomy operation.
Let's move on to a final question. If a woman employee dies before, during or after delivery due to pregnancy complications, then is the employer bound to pay salary to a nominee as part of Maternity Benefits Act?
An employer has duty to pay maternity benefits even in case women employee dies as a result of pregnancy. Now, in case the woman employee dies before receiving her maternity leave period salary, then the employer has to give that particular amount to the person nominated by her in the notice given by her to the employer while applying for maternity leave. However, the amount payable depends on the following factors. In case women employee dies during the maternity period leave without giving birth to a child, then the employer need to pay maternity period salary to the nominee for the days up to and including the day of her death. If a woman employee dies during or after her delivery giving birth to a child during her maternity period leave, then the employer need to pay salary for the whole maternity period leave to the nominee nominated by her. In case where the child as well as mother die during the maternity period leave, then the employer is liable to pay maternity period leave salary to the nominee until the child passes away or mother passes away, whichever is later.
Thank you for watching. See you next week with another legal topic. Till then, bye.